In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a MP version to your WordPress website. Firstly, open your WordPress website dashboard. Now go to Plugins, click on Add New, search in MP. There are some popular MP version. So this is the very popular MP for WordPress. Click on Install. Now click on Activate. Now scroll down. In dashboard. You will see new feature MP. Click on Journal. Here you can customize MP for post, page, jobs and pop-ups. So as your requirement, you check this box and click on Save Changes. And another one plugin for MP has more features. So click Add New. And now install this one. And after installation, click on Activate. So after installation, go to MP and you will see another features. MP is now installed. Firstly, click on this one, Run Installation Wizard, and click on Start. Click on Save. You can set your logo from here. Select pages where you would like to enable MP. Post pages, home page and category tags. Click on Save. Now set up analytics code. Enter your Google code here. I now skip, you can enter and after save. Select design. This is the one design, Swift, and designed one. This one, design 2, design 3, and Swift. After selecting the design, click on Save. Setup done. Basic setup has been done. Navigate to MP option panel to access all the options. Click on Let's Go. So now you have the MP for WordPress options dashboard, and you can customize everything. Subscribe if you want. And you can see some features are paid, some features are free. Page builder and SEO, analytics, and also push notification, instant article, fix MP error if you have the. So this is a very useful plugin, and you will find almost all the feature. And if you want to expend some money, so get the pro version, which is pro features. analytics, instant article for Facebook, and also you can get the some extension. You can manage the plugins, enable plugin manager. So this is the very nice. You will use this one and you will learn something. If you have any questions, so you can ask as a comment some questions. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.